Hey guys, welcome back to Ellie and Elijah, and today we have a guest, and she's my cousin, Sophie. And, yeah, hi. So, we have this bath bomb, make your own bath bomb. We're going to make our own bath bomb in this. So, we have everything we need, and this is what it comes with. So, it comes with instructions. We already read that. Yeah, we have. And so this is the mold. So it's just, you just put it like that, and then that's the mold. And then this is some
rose scent.
It's the scent.
It's called rose scent.
It's rose scent. That should get a better focus. Nope. It's called rose scent.
This here is citric acid and baking soda.
Talk louder.
It's so scary.
Okay, this
Oh,
is
and we don't know what color
Essentials
this is, by the way.
Asics. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be purple or blue.
Yeah.
So what's the first thing we do? Let's take the bowl and put it closer.
So, 1. Use a bowl. Add 30 grams of baking soda. So,
Does it? How much?
yeah, this is where you have to add all this in there.
Okay. Why do you have a fork? I thought we had a spoon.
No, we said fork.
Okay. I've played with this stuff before.
Is it
Not really
okay?
play.
What is it? I don't know.
Oh, it's acid.
Okay, how much is in
got,
there?
oh, but I think it got some in my mouth. Is it okay to taste?
No, it's you put it in bar carb soda. You put it in food, but okay if you really
Sorry
want.
if you hear our dog barking. He's just playing.
You can eat it if you're little tiniest drop. Yeah, just try to lick. Did it taste okay?
Tastes like something from like what you wash your clothes with.
No, it's just what it is.
Okay, so now
yeah,
what's next?
This whole thing.
Oh, all of it. So this costs $3 to make your own.
Even though you can buy them for like $1.50.
And it's kind of really small.
It's kind of a rip-off if you understand what I mean.
Yeah, don't be mean to my viewers if they understand what a rip-off is.
Okay, we need this.
Wait, let's mix it a little bit.
Okay. Here.
I'll do it too. Okay.
Don't worry about them. Wait, we need a teaspoon. We forgot to grab a teaspoon. We need a teaspoon.
Okay.
How are we going to
You talk and say what these ingredients are, just louder because I'm pretty sure they didn't hear you.
Okay. Oh, there's a dog. Bye-bye. To put this window open. So, in this bowl we have got some baking soda and citric acid, and you might see it, yeah. We're about to put some of this in there.
Okay.
Okay, you got a teaspoon?
Yep.
A baby spoon? You ask your mum. A teaspoon
Let's
just
just
smaller
say-
than this.
That is a teaspoon because it says teaspoon.
That
That is a teaspoon.
It is a teaspoon. That's bigger than a teaspoon.
That's a teaspoon. Just use it.
Okay. I could have just tipped the whole thing in there because I don't know, but like, I think this is the last
It
ingredient.
will be the epic bath bomb. No, we have to add this.
Yeah, and that's the last ingredient. You have to put it on the table so we can like at least. We're gonna do that later.
Oh, it got on me.
Don't lick it.
I am so close with my fork. You want to see something? What will
than-
happen? Will this penetrate through it?
I don't know.
No. Yes. But will it?
Okay.
Whoa. There we go.
Now, do you want me to do
There we
this?
go.
Do you want me to do this now?
Do what?
The drops.
Oh, I want to. You've
We
done
can do
everything.
okay, sorry. We can share it.
15.
Yeah, so you can do 5, I'll do 5, then you can do 5.
Oh.
Here, I'll open it. You have to do 5.
Okay.
Oh.
I thought the whole thing just fell.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
Yeah, we did 6. You can do 5. Okay. So we're gonna reveal the color at the end when we make the bath bomb.
4, 5, 6.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
We're
16.
adding an extra one because I think they're too small of a drop to be
Yeah, I don't know why. So it gives you all of these, but it gives you so much more of this.
No, I think we need to actually add more.
Okay, let's go. I'll do it. I'll
Just do it really hard because it needs to be in this area.
Which one?
Like over here. Yeah, like that. Hold on. Can we just, is there a way
Just put
we
it
can
all.
Okay.
Just put it all.
I'll just have to color
Oh,
that.
pretty much all. Don't put all of it all. Yeah. Okay.
That much in there.
Okay. So we're gonna reveal the color. It looks beautiful.
It's actually a really good color right now. No, we still need more. Look at this.
Oh wow. Do we need any water?
No, we need water later. Basically, we go all of this.
Yeah, like.
Why did it say 15 drops when we've used more than 15?
Wait, did it actually say 15?
Yeah, it said 15 drops.
Where?
Add 15 drops. Oh, there's some dye.
Okay, let's just put all of it now.
Yeah, just over in this corner.
Don't show the color. Now that's a lot. Okay, I'm just gonna put all of it. 3,
Over there.
2, 1.
Oh,
Okay.
I think we need the spoon.
Yep. Spoon.
Here. Oh, this is really cheap, guys. And smell that. It actually smells really good. Wait, if we put it on the table, can they see the color through the bowl?
No.
Okay, good.
And if they can, I can't see it. Wait, let me see. We're not gonna let you see the color. Melly. Okay, come on. They probably can a little bit. But what, like, it might change, okay, guys?
Yeah, because we still have to do something to it in a second.
Oh wow, this is great.
Totally.
Do you see what happened?
What?
My leg fell through the chair.
He fell through the chair, guys.
That's how fat I am.
What? It's none of it.
It's none of it.
None of it's left. So,
Okay, we're gonna pause it. We're gonna put this in here. We're gonna do whatever else it has, and then we'll show you the results in the bath. And I'll be wearing clothes in the bath.
we all will be. We'll just be showing. We'll just put it in our bath while we're standing over the bath.
No, I'll be in the bath.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we'll show you the end results. This is bath bomb.
He's getting in. And by the way, guys, this is a kind of a fail.
Yeah, we didn't get it out round enough. Like, we didn't wait.
We did. We waited like
Okay.
to an hour. Now it's 2. Ready? Ready?
3, 2. Okay.
One.
Now make it bigger so it can show all of us. Me. Okay, so guys, I'm about to show you the cover.
I'm pretty sure they've already just seen it.
Okay, 3, 2,
2, 1. It is blue, guys.
It is a blue. Okay.
Put it down, quick!
Okay, watch it.
It's a fail, see, it's not in shape. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Leave it in one spot. Don't touch it.
Okay. Pieces.
Hands away.
Okay. See, it's blue. Oh, it's so fuzzy. It feels weird. Fuzzy. Okay, I'm gonna pick it up.
Yep.
So this is
Cool.
Oh.
Chuck it here. So I can show them. Chuck it here.
I showed them.
It's cold.
Yeah, it's cold.
Guys, oh, it's not focusing.
Okay, here. Oh, okay. I'm gonna.
Yeah.
Let's put it here.
It does.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Barely anything, nothing now.
Yeah, basically, there's nothing left.
Look, it made my hands blue.
Show me your hand, guys.
My fingers. Look, if I rub it in, like it's some soap.
Yeah, guys, keep safe from Corona.
Yeah, just pretend this is soap, right? Get some water so it's better. And then wash it. See that?
His hands are blue.